Hello my loves, welcome back to Vlogmas episode 11. I am getting ready to head out right now. I am going to meet up with my friend Sterling, and I also have an event in the evening. I have a little teeny tiny update for you guys. If you watched Vlogmas episode 8, you guys know that I went to Chanel and picked up this little cutie. Shall we unbox it together? I am loving this holiday packaging. It comes with this like little Chanel charm. Here she is. This is literally the perfect shade of pink. Once I saw this collection, I knew I had to get something. It has a pocket on the back for easy accessibility. You can put your credit card in there. And we have the flap. You open it, there is a zipper compartment and there's another card compartment. And then for the chain, it has this little adjustable ball, so you can adjust it to be longer if you want, or you can shorten it. I meet up with my friend Sterling because she was able to get me the bag I want. Let's backtrack a little bit. So I was originally looking at plane tickets to go to Paris to get this bag because I had a feeling that this would be sold out in the US, but it turns out that it's just not being sold in the US. When I went shopping that day, that's what they told me. So then I texted my friend Sterling because I found out that she was in Paris during that time. So I was like, oh my gosh, you need to go and help me see if you can find this bag. And I also happened to have a Chanel sales in Paris because I was just there this summer and I purchased something. I was like, oh hi, do you have this bag available by any chance? And she's like, yes we do. I was like, Sterling, you need to go and help me pick up this bag, like please, like you are my Santa. She literally went and got the bag for me. So I'm meeting with her today to pick up my new bag. So I am actually going to go and return this bag. So the bag I want also has this adjustable chain, which is super duper cute. So come along with me to return this bag and pick up my new baby, and I also have an event later this evening. Hi for Phoebe. Okay, thank you. Got the hot matcha. Sterling got an iced matcha. She's crazy. It's freezing today. Okay, Sterling went back to work. She just gave me my bag, but I need to go down to SoHo to go to Chanel so I can return the other bag. I literally brought a tote bag to put the bags in so I don't get robbed. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why. Every time I have to return something, I always feel extra nervous. The heart bag is so freaking adorable. That was easy peasy. It was the same sales that helped me last time that helped me with the return today. So it made it so much easier and smoother process. Anyways, I am heading over to Laduree now to pick up some macarons. Got my macaroons. I want to film like an Emily in Paris video because the new season comes out on Thursday, I believe, so I'm so excited. Anyways, I have so much time to kill before my next event, so I guess I'm just gonna shop around. I feel like this gives very much après-ski vibes. So cute. Wait, this looks so cozy. Trying on this sweater instead. Looks super cozy. I don't think I own anything blue. Also, how cute is this dressing room? I am obsessed. Also trying on the Sherpa jacket version. I think I like the sweater more. Don't really like the fit of this one. They are both extra small. I think the sweater is a lot cuter. I think I'm gonna pick up the sweater. I've actually never shopped at this store before. I think it's called Varley. I just walked in because I thought it was really cute. Wait, this jacket is also very, very cute. I was about to check out and I found this jacket. How cute. I fear I need this jacket. It matches my current outfit perfectly, like with my Uggs. How cute. Oh my gosh. I did end up picking up the brown jacket. If you have a ski trip coming up, highly recommend checking them out because they have a lot of cute sweaters. There's a little hot cocoa bar. I'm using the hot cocoa bomb. We're decorating cookies tonight. I made a little bow on the gingerbread man. My little snowflake. I am locked in.
I'm obsessed. This is amazing.
So cute. Heading home now. I got my box of cookies that I decorated. So cute. Can't wait to eat this later.